3 teams had seen it. Each one assumed someone else was handling it. Nobody ignored it. It just never became anyone's responsibility. And in that gap, it waited. Risk moves between functions, between shifts, between the person who sees it and the person expected to act. When ownership is clear, the system works. When it isn't, the same risk can be visible to everyone and actioned by no one. Not a failure of awareness, a failure of assignment. The system recorded the risk. It never assigned it. Nathan flagged the valve 6 weeks earlier, logged it, routed it to maintenance, moved on. That was his role. Yusuf saw it, scheduled for the next outage. Low priority. Nothing in the system told him otherwise. Safety reviewed it, twice. The register showed monitoring. The owner field showed 2 functions. 2 functions, no name. Everyone saw it. No one was accountable for closing it. 6 weeks later, the valve changed. Not enough to alarm, enough to notice. He knew it should be reported.
It's already logged. They're handling it. No need to duplicate it.
He didn't ignore it. He trusted the system. He trusted that ownership already existed. The valve was in the system. Maintenance had it. Safety had visibility. Nathan had done his part. Scheduled work didn't require escalation. That was the protocol. Monitoring didn't require action. That was the assumption. No one decided not to act. The system made inaction acceptable. The valve existed in every system, and in the space between them, nothing moved. 4 days later, it was flagged again. He saw the log.
It's already in progress. Nothing to escalate.
He confirmed it was being managed. It was being monitored. That was not the same as being fixed. The system didn't make that distinction visible. On day 7, the seal failed under load. Contained release. No injury. 3 weeks of downtime. The investigation didn't find negligence. It found a system. A risk known to 3 functions, owned by none. This wasn't a communication failure. It was an ownership failure. Shared ownership didn't distribute responsibility. It removed it. Everyone assumed someone else was closer to it, more responsible, better positioned to act. No one was. After the investigation, one change was made. Every open risk, one owner, one name, one function accountable for closeout. Not monitoring, not shared. One. Risk doesn't disappear when it's shared. It becomes invisible. Because when everyone is aware, but no one is accountable, action becomes optional. And the space between those 2 things is where incidents wait.